Hello again and welcome back. I'm going to make mayonnaise today. For this I've taken eggs, oil, vinegar, salt, sugar, garlic and mustard. You will need about 200 to 250 milliliters of oil. I've taken a mix of olive and salad oil. You can either increase or reduce the salt. Put all ingredients in a long jar. I've taken a measuring jar and using a stick blender, slowly add oil and lift the blender up and down very slowly and let the oil trickle into the mix. You will find this mix thickening. And here your homemade mayonnaise is ready. Please do try this out and let me know how it turned out. I hope you like and enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Take care and bye-bye.